Look at those cookies, Robin. Are you hungry? Are you going to eat one? No, Robin. Don't eat all of them at once. Why did you do that? Now you'll get hiccups. Come on, Robin. Don't make a fuss out of it. See, Robin, it's only hiccups. Such a drama, Prince. Drinking some water will surely help you. Oops! Oh no! Now Snow White has hiccups too. Beast, you have to help Robin and Snow White. They have hiccups. What is Beast up to? A scare? Good idea. Aww, you look so cute, Beast. Oh no, another hiccup victim. Your friends are having a contagious hiccup, Alice. They need your help. A spider! Wait, that's not a real spider. That's a toy. It's real! It's real! You're so naughty, Alice. Hey, it worked. No more hiccups. Yay! The spider cured you. Not again. They're here. Welcome to Little Mermaid's Slumber Party. What did you bring, girls? Little Red Riding Hood brought candy. Sleeping Beauty brought her makeup case. This is going to be the best sleepover ever. High five, Sleeping Beauty. Sleeping Beauty? The girls are getting their makeup done. Wow, you look great, Red Hood. Isn't she beautiful, Sleeping Beauty? Look like she's busy. It's time to dance! Yay! Great move! Woo! Go, Red Hood! Looks like Sleeping Beauty loves it. What? So rude. She won't let the phone go. It's war! Cushion fight! Drop the phone already! That's a funny picture. Oh, you're having so much fun. But they miss you. Oh, girls. Cushion fight! Best slumber party ever! Wow, this picnic looks amazing, girls. Selfie time! Oh no, what happened? Phew, Sleeping Beauty is just taking a nap. But Robot Snow White doesn't look that good. Huh? Oh. Something's wrong. She looks different. Oh no! Robot Snow White has gone crazy! Run, Snow White! She's right behind you! You can do it! You almost lost her! Wake up, Sleeping Beauty! Snow White is in trouble! You have to help her! Great idea, Sleeping Beauty! Get her attention! Run, Snow White! Escape now that she's distracted! What are you going to do now, Sleeping Beauty? Oh no! It happened again! Looks like Robot Snow White is back to normal.
Playing video games is always fun, right, Beast? Look, Snow Queen and Little Mermaid bought their own remote so you can play together. Wow, Beast. No one ever told you that sharing is caring? That's it. You got tired of video games. Wow! You're so good, Snow White. Oh no! Where else can you find another balloon? Oh look! It's Beast! He has a ball! Beast only wants to play alone. He doesn't know how to share. You better get the ball, Beast. Are you going to treat yourself? There's only one water bottle left. So lucky! Look, Alice seems really tired and thirsty. Will you share your water bottle with her, Beast? So selfish. Looks like Beast is making everyone unhappy. Yay! Snow Queen and Little Mermaid are throwing a party. Oh, now you want to know what's going on. Are you really going to follow them, Beast? Wow! What a great party! Let's dance! Maybe they forgot to send you the invitation? Oh, they don't want you in the party, Beast. Why wouldn't they let you in? Maybe if you had shared. What are you up to, Beast? Are you ready to share this time? Will they let you in? Now you see, Beast, you're You always have fun if you share.
Once upon a time, a little girl was walking down the long-lost wood. Everyone called her Little Red Riding Hood. Do you know why? You guessed it, because she always wore her favorite red hoodie. On this day, she couldn't horse around. She had a very important mission to accomplish. Little Red Riding Hood was going to Sleeping Beauty's house. She felt really sick, and she needed her friend's help to get better. That's why Little Red Riding Hood was bringing her some tasty treats to cheer her up. In fact, they were so tasty that they lured the big bad wolf. Smitten by the delicious food that Little Red Riding Hood was carrying, the big bad wolf started plotting to get his paws on them. His first plan was simple and really silly. He would charm Little Red Riding Hood into giving him her goodies. Baking good manners, the big bad wolf asked, "Good morning, Little Red Riding Hood. Where are you going so chipper and jolly?" "I'm going to Sleeping Beauty's house. She's sick, and I'm bringing her some treats," answered Little Red Riding Hood. "You're such a good friend. Maybe you could share some with this hungry wolf?" "I'm sorry, Mr. Wolf, but my friend really needs them. See you later." Thus, Little Red Riding Hood kept going, leaving Wolf behind. He was furious. His plan had failed, but he wasn't angry for long, for he had come up with a new plan to get the treats. The big bad wolf snuck into Sleeping Beauty's house and found her asleep like a rock. Then the mean wolf disguised himself as Sleeping Beauty and got into bed. Dressed as her friend, I'll trick Little Red Riding Hood into giving me her treats. Just then, Little Red Riding Hood arrived. Quickly, Wolf got into bed, pretending to be sick. "Hello, Sleeping Beauty. I brought some nice treats to make you feel better," Little Red Riding Hood said, believing she was talking to her dear friend. But she noticed something weird. So she said, "Wow, Sleeping Beauty, what big eyes you've got."
"Oh, the better to see you with,"
the wolf replied in a quirky, squeaky voice. "Wow, Sleeping Beauty, what big ears you've got."
"Oh, the better to hear you with,"
the wolf answered again. Finally, Little Red Riding Hood said, "Wow, Sleeping Beauty, what big teeth you've got." "All the better
to eat those tasty treats,"
the wolf roared as he jumped out of bed. The big bad wolf started chasing Little Red Riding Hood across the room, trying to steal her food. Little Red Riding Hood had nowhere to run now. What could she do? But suddenly, a long, loud whistle was heard. It was Sleeping Beauty. Seeing her friend in danger, she forgot about her sickness and got free from the closet. Stronger than ever, Sleeping Beauty had the big bad wolf against the ropes. Defeated, the big bad wolf ran and ran and ran to get away from those powerful girls. And Sleeping Beauty and Red Riding Hood enjoyed some wonderful treats.
What a cool car, Red. Where did you get it? I think Cinderella wants to play with it too. Hey! Stop fighting! You're gonna break it! Uh-oh! It's out of control! You have to help her, Cinderella! The vase! Careful, Beast! What a mess! It's gonna break everything! It's heading towards Glub Glub! She's gonna crash! I think you're in trouble, girls. It was Belle's car! No! You have to clean this mess. Yay! It's sleepover time! Uh-oh. That doesn't sound very good, Alice. Dr. Snow White to the rescue. Oh no! Alice has caught a cold. Luckily, Snow White is here to look after her. Wow, Alice! You look better than ever. It was really nice having Snow White to look after you. Oh no. Are you still sick, Alice? I see. You want Snow White to take care of you. You're really enjoying the attention. Right, Alice? Red Book candies! How yummy! No. You can't eat candies if you're sick. Wow. Red's new scooter is so cool. No scooter for you, Alice. You're sick, remember? Poor Alice. At least Snow White will look after her. Yay! Your food is here. Pizza and a cupcake. Best meal ever. You should wait a little bit until the pizza cools down. Oh no. Now the pizza is too cold. Are you trying to reheat it, Wolf? What are you going to do now? Be careful with the oven, Wolf. Oh no! The pizza is totally burnt. How are you going to fix this disaster now? Oh yes! The fridge will cool down the pizza. Oh no! The pizza! Now it's completely frozen. I don't think that's working. Oh no! The sauce is too hot! long and now the cupcake is stale.
Lunchtime, Coral. Are you hungry? Let's see if the waiter arrives to show you your table. Oh, hey, little guy. How cute. What will its name be? Oh, he's called Gloop Gloop. Here's Robin, the waiter. See you later, Gloop Gloop. Let's see what today's special is. Oh no! Today's special is Gloop Gloop. The coast is clear, Coral. Let's go rescue Gloop Gloop. Come on, hurry. It's too heavy. Quick! Robin's back. Look, the cart is unattended. The truth is that it would be a shame to throw away these delicious cupcakes. Now, let's get out of here. Great idea, Coral. This cart is perfect for transport. Oh no, Robin is blocking the way. Good reflexes. Quick, he's on our heels. I think we lost him. Be careful, Coral. Oh no, Gloop Gloop. Queen Aria is preparing her fruit ice creams. Aria, wait! Oops, too late. Hold on, Gloop Gloop. Almost there. Here is Robin with today's special. A tasty Gloop Gloop dish, but without Gloop Gloop.
How nice! Snow White baked cupcakes for Beast and Alice. Looks like they prefer robot Snow White's cake. Snow White is determined to get her friend's attention. Looks like nothing can beat the puppet, Snow White. Aren't you going to help them, Snow White? The big slide looks so fun, Red. Prince looks a bit scared though. Come on, you'll like it. Wait, Prince, where are you going? Having fun on the swings? But the slide is so cool. Prince doesn't look so sure, Red. I think he's scared of getting hurt. great idea. Come on, there's nothing to fear. Remember, Red's got your back. Uh-oh! Are you okay, Prince? I guess he liked it.
Looking at old pictures, girls? Oh, you look so cute as a baby, Rapunzel. If only you could turn back time. Right, Alice? What's that magic wand for? You turned Rapunzel into a baby. She's perfect. Hey, where are you going? There she is. No. Cookies aren't good for babies. Uh-oh. I think she's upset. No, please. Don't cry, little one. Maybe baby Rapunzel is hungry, Alice. Finally! Hey, that's not very nice of you. Where is she? Careful with those, baby Rapunzel. No. She's going to break them all. Nice catch, Alice. Oh. Glub, glub, no! Yay! Glub is safe. That's enough, little one. Time to get you back to normal. You have to get the wand back, Alice. She's going to make a mess. Come on, Alice. Now's your chance. Yay, you're back, Rapunzel. But wait, where's Alice? Watch is so fun, right, Cinderella? Your turn, Sleeping Beauty! It never ends. Let's go! You can do it, Aurora. You're tired already? You have to get in shape. Cinderella will help you train. You're so strong, Cinderella. Very nice, Aurora. You're making a great effort. Hey, that's cheating. Come on, girls, you can do it. Or not. It's time for the final test. An obstacle race. Let's go, Aurora. You're doing great. Come on, one last effort. You can do it this time. Yay! You made it! What a champ! What's next, Cinderella? Good call, Aurora. After a hard workout, it's really important to rest too. I believe it's enough for the day. Don't you think, Cinderella? Are you okay? That's right. You deserve a good rest after all.
Oh no! Looks like Sleeping Beauty and Beast are sick. Oh wow! Did that come out of Sleeping Beauty's nose? What are you doing? Listen to Rapunzel. You need to rest. Ew! Are you going to have a snot bubble competition? The game didn't end so well. Now you're all sick. At least Sleeping Beauty and Beast can help you now.
Yay! Ice creams! They're so delicious! Uh-oh, you don't have any money. How are you going to pay for Snow White's ice creams? I don't think Snow White is interested in an exchange with your magic wand. Wow! You turned it into gold! That golden rock is so shiny! Oh no!
happened?
Oh.
Wow, these cupcakes look delicious. But they aren't yours, Alice. Oh no, Alice! Now the oven is gold. It doesn't work anymore. Not the fridge! Now it doesn't work anymore. Alice, you're ruining the kitchen by transforming everything into gold. Not the cupcakes! If you turn them into gold, nobody can eat them! Oh no! You transformed them into gold! How do you plan to solve this situation, Alice? Maybe it will be safer to try other things first. Alice! Stop throwing magic around! Uh-oh. What now? Finally! Snow Queen is here to save the situation. Time to put everything in order again. You finally saved the situation, Snow Queen. Everything looks normal again. Wait, where did you get this amount of cupcakes? I'm sure next time you won't play with objects that aren't yours.